Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the Insights feature on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically this just is an integration with artificial intelligence to help improve typing and dictation on your computer. But if you'd rather turn this feature on or off, depending on whatever your preference is, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says typing. So go ahead and left click on that. And it should be something that says typing insights. View your typing and corrections history. If you want to briefly read the little text blurb that Windows or Microsoft provides here, Windows is using artificial intelligence to help you save time and type efficiently. Windows can learn to suggest words, autocorrect spelling mistakes, and interpret swiped typing. Take a look at the insights below to see up-to-the-minute stats on how Windows has learned to improve typing for you. These stats are stored only on this device, and Microsoft does not collect the typing insight data. You can see a breakdown is provided below. If you want to turn this on, just turn it or toggle to the on position up here. Otherwise, you can toggle it off by just clicking inside the oval to the off position. It should be a gray oval, and it should say off if you have it set to off or disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.